But really, guys, like, everything changed for me when I started talking to more people. That's at the end of the day, that's what it is. All last year, every conference, every sales training I was at, I preached your net worth at FFL will dictate your net worth at FFL. If you're only talking to John, you're only going to be as good as John. Now, John is pretty damn good, I'm not going to lie, but you're only going to get his opinion or his perspective. Whereas if you get his perspective, you get Jared's perspective, you get Yoda's perspective, you get Jared's perspective on it, now you put those together and make it your own. And so I challenge all of you guys here to find 2 or 3 more people to start talking to in this business. What I would tell our agents is there should be 5 people that you're talking to every single week. 1, definitely the person who brought you into this business. But you need 2 running mates, 2 competitors, 2 people who are in the same situation as you. If you're new, then it's 2 new agents that are just getting started. If you're writing 15K, it's someone who's writing 10 to 20K. If you're writing 20 to 30, it should be someone 20 to 30. Whatever those metrics are. But you should have some competitors. They hold you accountable. They push you harder. It's not to bitch and moan and complain to them. It's to, hey, what would you do in this situation? How did your week go? What leads are you running? What is working for you? And now all of a sudden you're building a partnership with somebody, and you guys are pushing and pulling each other to the next level. And then you should have 2 mentors outside of your person who brought you this business. And whatever that means to you, mentor, right? Like, for me, it was Rob Richmond, right? I got lucky enough that a guy who wasn't on my team, didn't get any monetary value, would help me. But you want to know why he helped me? Does anybody have any guess at why he decided to help me?
You were there all the time.
I was there. I earned his respect through showing up and asking good questions and applying what he was saying. Only you can do that. It doesn't matter where you're at in the country or what office you're at. You'll demand respect and time by consistently showing up. Any of you can do that. So I would just challenge you guys to find 2 to 3, 4, whatever people that is. 2 competitors would be great. 2 mentors would be great. If you can get 1, that's still better than none. If you get 1 competitor, that's still better than none. But if you have 5 people that you're consistently talking to on a weekly basis, you're going to keep leveling up. You're going to keep growing. And that's the whole goal here. That's why all of you guys are here, is because you wanted to hear something that I would say to help your business. Well, if you're not listening, I just gave you some pedigree for you to level up your game. And all of you can do that. It's not anything special, it's just communicating with people. And FFL is filled with a bunch of really great people who are more than willing to help you without a monetary value.